3, go. Hey. Allez. Guys.
Let's go collect pork for me. Quick. Let's go collect pork. Carry moto. Quick.
Matele. Anaga matele. Come matele. Got it also. Okay. That's the way to that give me last. For this motor, I love not can pass sometimes. Like back up, I say, hey, don't solve now. Power fine. Power do touching, ma? Yes. I know. Before money, touch money. Okay. Say bye bye to what other than say. Now I don't get money. Now she shout all more trouble. She worry my life, eh? Sorry, man. If not jazz, you go cast. Musa? Musa? Father, will tell me say no go take. Musa sister, she call it. She want to use that. Musa come. She. Okay. Wewe unataka kiwani. Kitu gani? Wangu telimo. Kelio. And if you see his son at this one, at this moment, you're going to see. That's a kite. The motor they open now. I'm going to come cook. Guys, see the view. Let's tell me the guys. Good. Now I put a TikTok. My motor. This is where we do the power. Wait down. Just now. Motor around this snap. I don't put up for internet. Now, right? Oh, so sorry. Allah, hold him on. What time back for what? We're going to make them lose any match now. They don't come out. You don't let us win now. You know 1 point. Sell the same draw. We test it. I really run our package. Yeah, you are love it. We don't have that. What are they? I don't have that.
Power go die now. And that person ain't good. Bank must be broke. Now go read that life for that time.
I to come on Monday. No, because
That will get into that. This one, sister. Who will we talk about now?
it's only be Rubashi.
Now Rubashi should be now.
Okay, Daddy.
Danny. Ah, by Ruben, today teacher in Ruben.
The boy they greet, I speak in times like grand. Today they greet is lie down flat for guys, you know, Gamuri.
Give me a hot block now.
Ah, they're not bring my big hand to come. Make I go stay shop.
Traditional Medicine Center. Ma'ana ALG Dr. Abubakar Suleiman Shidigo Tanzania. Babban
No, there is a me already.
You know supposed to be. I don't know about. Why don't I put in a balance of about? I don't know.